Here we go, fam. The square body big block project pro system carburetor rebuild almost completed. But I just wanted to let's just show a few things on it. The you can see on the bowl bolts pretty rusty, corroded, and I believe the gas here, the fuel they have here on the island has a lot of ethanol on it. I'm thinking that might be like a E10 or E15. So that's the problem we have with the older cars is a lot of corrosion build up in the carburetor from sitting. So yeah, this is like the third carb I've done this week because of that problem, corrosion and jets clogged and just needed to be serviced properly, clean them out. So this one is a 1050. I did the last one I did was a 650 Holly and an 800 Holly, all with the same problems. Stay tuned. My little makeshift bench, little makeshift workbench.